Hi, are you feeling overwhelmed with the amount of that there is to do as a mum with your to-do list, the school runs, getting to work on time, keeping your home organised, having time with your partner, time for yourself, time for your friends and time for your family without going insane? So many mums I know are feeling more and more overwhelmed than ever before. In times gone by, we used to have loads of support around. We used to live in communities or with extended family, so that it wasn't everything on you, the mum. But nowadays, it's such a strong symptom, and that's why I wrote my book Frazzled to Fabulous in 5 minutes a day, which, if you're watching live, will be out in a couple of weeks. Otherwise, if you're watching later, it's probably out by now, and you'll be able to buy it. So, do you know that feeling of when you've got such a long to-do list and you have a moment to yourself and you just freeze because you don't know where to start because everything seems too big and too overwhelming? Well, this tapping session is for you if you can relate. So, if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is simply to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. So when you think about your overwhelm now, think about your to-do list, think about everything that you need to do today, think about everything that you need to do this week, think about all the things you should have done yesterday and you didn't get done. And rate your level of overwhelm on a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 is no overwhelm at all, and 10 is the most overwhelm you can possibly imagine. And let's do some tapping. So just do what I do. Even though I have all of this overwhelm, my to-do list is so long that I never get down to the things on there. And I'm remembering the things I should have done yesterday and the long list I've got today. In fact, it feels like I haven't even got time to watch this video. And just acknowledging that thought to yourself right now. And even with all of that, I accept how I feel about it. And I honour myself and this overwhelm. And tapping through the points, all of this overwhelm, my to-do list, everything that I didn't do yesterday, that I've got to add to my list today, everything I have to do today. And the fact that I'm watching this video means I'm putting my mental health first. Because I know that the calmer I am, the more clarity I have, the easier it will become to be able to do the things I need to do easily and effortlessly. So I'm investing these 5 minutes so that I can do things more efficiently, so that I can think more logically, so that life becomes easier for me, so that I'm less stressed. Less stressed. And as you say less stressed, just take a deep breath. De-stressing now. And take another deep breath. Becoming more present in this moment. Becoming even more present. Noticing my breath. Noticing my body without judgment. And noticing my feet on the ground. And I wonder if I could take one tiny action today to reduce my overwhelm. What would that action be? And if it feels right, you can type it in the comments, but just make a note to yourself of what you can do straight after this tapping, one tiny action that will make your life a little bit easier today. And maybe it's just choosing one of the things on your list that just takes a short amount of time and choosing to do that so that you can cross that off your list. And as you think about that, how does that make you feel? And you might be feeling, I'll feel relieved, or you might be feeling, yes, but that's one of 100 things. But either way, just acknowledge how you're feeling right now. And take a deep breath. And if there was a quality that you could infuse into today that would help you to feel calmer and clearer about your to-do list, about what you will get done, about the fact that you can't get it all done, what quality would that be? And I'm going to suggest a few that might help you. So I'm infusing my to-do list and my day-to-day with some trust that whatever I do today will be enough, and tomorrow's another day. Infusing into my to-do list and my day some ease and some flow. And I wonder if I could infuse into my to-do list some fun. Maybe I can put on some fun music while I tidy up. Maybe I can get my children involved. Infusing into my to-do list and into my day some magic and some miracles, that it won't be as hard as I think, and that I can get stuff done, and that I know how to be efficient with my time. Infusing all of these qualities in abundance to everything that I'm going to do today. And I'm letting go of the rest. And say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So rate your level of overwhelm now, again on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 being completely calm, light and peaceful, 10 being the worst. Now hopefully your level of overwhelm will have gone down. If it has, then repeat this again, because it can go down even further if you have time, that is. And if it stayed the same, do write in the comments, because there are loads of things that I could share with you that can help you if that's the case. And if it's gone up, do repeat the tapping, because sometimes the intensity can go up, because you're bringing to your conscious awareness all the things that you're trying to push out of your mind. And if that's the case, then do the tapping again and it will go down. Now, some people don't experience a change in the rating level, but they might feel lighter. They might feel calmer. They might feel more peaceful. Maybe they feel tingling in their body, or maybe they've been yawning a lot. That's all good signs that tapping is having a positive effect on your mind and body. So just to let you know, again, I've written a book called Frazzle to Fabulous in 5 minutes a day. If you're watching this live, it's going to be released in the next couple of weeks. And if you're watching it later, it might already be out. So do click on the link below. If it's not out yet, you can download a free chapter. And if it is, I'd love you to read it and let me know how you get on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next maternal health, mental health video tomorrow. Bye.